Learn 40 plus adverb and adjective combinations for everyday English conversations. Deeply concerned. Meaning, very worried and anxious about someone or something. I'm deeply concerned about your health. Bitterly disappointed. Meaning, extremely sad and upset because something went wrong or didn't happen as expected. I was bitterly disappointed by the result. Deeply moved. Meaning, emotionally touched or affected by something kind, sad, or powerful. I was deeply moved by his words. Deeply hurt. Meaning, very upset or emotionally wounded by someone's actions or words. I felt deeply hurt by her comments. Terribly sorry. Meaning, very apologetic or feeling bad about something you did. I'm terribly sorry for my hurtful comments. Deeply grateful. Meaning, very thankful and appreciative of someone's help or kindness. I'm deeply grateful for your help. Completely shocked. Meaning, very surprised or upset, often because of unexpected news. We were completely shocked by the news. Absolutely terrified. Meaning, extremely scared or frightened. I was absolutely terrified during the storm. Seriously worried. Meaning, very concerned or anxious about a situation. I'm seriously worried about my exams. Absolutely delighted. Meaning, very happy and pleased. I'm absolutely delighted to see you. She was absolutely delighted with her birthday gift. Extremely happy. Meaning, feeling very joyful or full of delight. I was extremely happy to hear from you. I'm extremely happy with my exam results. Completely satisfied. Meaning, fully happy with something, no complaints. I'm completely satisfied with your service. Deeply sad. Meaning, feeling very unhappy or sorrowful. I felt deeply sad when I heard the news. Completely heartbroken. Meaning, very sad because of a great loss or disappointment. He felt completely heartbroken after the breakup. Deeply embarrassed. meaning very ashamed or uncomfortable about something you did. I felt deeply embarrassed after making that mistake. Absolutely furious, meaning very angry or full of rage. She looked absolutely furious after the argument. Totally confused, meaning very unsure or puzzled, unable to understand what's happening. I'm totally confused by these instructions. Completely surprised, meaning very shocked or amazed by something unexpected. I was completely surprised by the gift. She was completely surprised to see me there. Totally amazed, meaning very surprised and impressed by something. We were totally amazed by her speech. I am totally amazed at your progress in English. Extremely tired, meaning very exhausted or worn out. I felt extremely tired after the long walk. Totally exhausted, meaning very, very tired, with no energy left. I'm totally exhausted after working all day. Deeply ashamed, meaning very embarrassed or sorry about something bad you did. I'm deeply ashamed of what I did. Highly motivated, meaning very eager and determined to achieve something. She's highly motivated to reach her goals. Highly recommended, meaning strongly suggested as good or worth trying. This restaurant is highly recommended by locals. Highly respected, meaning greatly admired by others. She's a highly respected teacher. Highly intelligent, meaning very smart and quick to understand things. He is a highly intelligent student. Highly successful, meaning very accomplished, achieving great results, or recognized for doing very well. She's a highly successful businesswoman. Highly unlikely, meaning very doubtful or not expected to happen. It's highly unlikely that it will rain today. Bitterly cold, meaning extremely cold and harsh, making you feel uncomfortable. It was bitterly cold last night. Absolutely impossible. Meaning, not possible at all, completely unrealistic or unachievable. It's absolutely impossible to finish this today. Absolutely sure. Meaning, completely certain or confident about something. I'm absolutely sure about my answer. Are you absolutely sure you locked the door? Completely wrong. Meaning, totally incorrect or mistaken. You're completely wrong about that answer. My guess was completely wrong. Perfectly clear. Meaning, very easy to understand, no confusion at all. Your instructions are perfectly clear. It's perfectly clear that you care about him. Fully aware. Meaning, completely knowing or understanding a situation. I'm fully aware of the problem. Absolutely necessary. Meaning, very important or essential, must be done. It's absolutely necessary to drink water daily. Good communication is absolutely necessary to get a job. Seriously ill. Meaning, very sick or unwell. He was seriously ill and was taken to the hospital. Seriously injured. Meaning, badly hurt or harmed physically. He was seriously injured in the accident. Greatly improved. Meaning, much better than before. Your English has greatly improved. Extremely difficult. Meaning, very hard and challenging. The exam was extremely difficult. It's extremely difficult to lift this box alone. Totally different. Meaning, not the same at all, very unlike. Our opinions are totally different. This dress looks totally different in sunlight. Perfectly right. Meaning, completely correct. You are perfectly right about this. Her answer was perfectly right. Totally wrong. Meaning, completely incorrect or mistaken. Your guess was totally wrong. I think you got the address totally wrong. Absolutely beautiful. Meaning, very lovely and pleasing to look at. The view from the hill is absolutely beautiful. Your dress looks absolutely beautiful. Perfectly normal. Meaning, completely usual or natural. It's perfectly normal to make mistakes. Feeling nervous is perfectly normal before a test.